Well, I have done a lot of stuff, even though it might have not been in the in the right place to do it, but I've done some stuff. Um, yeah. Also, I'm basically at the point now where I can start setting up the GAU as well. Like I'm adding the memory points and such now. That's all done.
Yeah, let's try to wrap up one feature before we jump to the next one.
Yeah.
When I load in stuff, I'm getting like just the stretcher frame on all of the things. Is there more
Oh,
model updates I need?
I fixed everything. Like all of that stuff's all fixed.
Right. I mean,
Do you have the newest private version?
I got the. Oh, okay. I see.
Because oh yeah, what it was, right? I had so I weighted all of the stuff, but I weighted it also separately. So because it was separately, it was also seeing it separately, and because it was separate, it didn't see it. Yeah, you understand the point.
Hmm.
Also, right, I was looking at something in the send you a picture of it. Something I didn't understand, right? So on the belt, right, on the current gun, it moves when you turn the gun.
Yep.
And the way that's done is with weighted selections, right? Or partially weighted selections. So
Hmm.
you can see it on that image there, right? How it's blue and such.
Yep.
Do you know how he's done that?
No. I know there's weight painting in somewhere.
Yeah, because I'm trying to do it on the GAU since it's the exact same thing, but I can't figure out how he did it.
That's not
Hmm.
something I'm familiar with at all.
Yeah, me neither. I can look it up. It's probably something on the internet on how to do it.
Yeah, look up weight painting or something like that.
Selection.
Okay. So looks okay. You uploaded a uh60.rar.
Yeah, that's what I use instead of zip.
It's zip, so use zip.
Well, I don't have zip. I have RAR.
Zip is included with Windows,
Oh,
and WinRAR will make zips as well.
oh, I'll do that next time then.
So looks like it's some images and the main model.
Yeah. And I also had some problem with one of the buttons, right, for the lights. So for some reason, you can interact from the pilot seat, but you can't interact from the gunner seats. And I have no clue why. But yeah,
Which
that's
one
a bit.
is yes and which one is no?
What do you mean?
Pilot yes, gunner no, or gunner yes, pilot no?
I
How
don't
they
understand.
interact.
Oh, well, all of them. Any.
So no for both.
Yeah, I think so. I put it in the code for the pilots, right?
Well,
I put it in the code
that
for the gunners.
that just
The
means you
pilot
didn't put
ones
it in right.
work.
Oh, okay. So pilot yes, gunner no.
Yeah. Oh, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yep.
And you just didn't put it in the right place.
Well, that's the weird thing because I put it in the same place where the check ammo button is, and the check ammo works, but mine doesn't work. But it does work when it's in the pilot stuff. It's weird. It's weird.
So the pictures you can put on the public EAAs.
I just put them there because everyone seemed to be doing it, so I just did it as well.
Yeah, I mean, the public is supposed to be buildable for everyone. So yeah, you can put them in the public as well.
All right.
Okay, let's see. I'm trying to track down which which files were updated.
Well, I added.
So entirety of nose
Ooh,
radar.
yeah, and also model CFG, CFG vehicles, and CFG animation sources.
Right, I've got the latest pushed on public.
Oh, right. Because I've added everything in here that I've built at the moment, except for the GAU, which I'm still doing.
So it's just MISC, data, stretcher rack, and nose radar, right?
Yeah, and MFDC and FLIR W.
FDC and FLIR W.
Yep, that's a FLIR for W, and the MFDC is the
Oh,
new
I see.
MFD for the crew. That's also, I still have to set that up as well, which I haven't done.
Okay.
Well, I actually just don't know how to do it, so I think that's yak stuff with the MFDs.
Okay. So, I guess I should start streaming on Discord. Okay, so I'm gonna do some preparatory work for the locking the seats.
Yeah, right. I don't know anything about this, so I'm just gonna watch, right? And ask questions because I have zero clue.
All right. So right now we have locking seats with the Blackhawk, the MH-60M, and the H-60, where if the doors close, actually everything, if the doors close, you can't use the side in the door FOVs.
Yeah.
So we're gonna model our stuff on that, and yeah, I want to talk to you about your IDE. So, are you still using zips, pulling zips from the website, GitHub website?
No. I'm using GitHub now.
Okay, good.
Just the
And
folders. Yeah.
is your IDE linked to the GitHub folder?
What do you mean, IDE?
IDE is development environment, so Visual Studio.
Oh yeah, if I open it, like everything's on the left side, if that's what you mean.
Okay, good. So
Yeah.
you should be using search files a lot. So for example, I do Control-Shift-F, I get search files, and then if I want to find, lock, where I use lock turret, I get every instance of lock turret in the entire public folder, right?
Yeah, I used this a little bit today.
Okay, good. Yeah, start using that, because when you're like, but where do I find the repair hoist thing? This is what you should be doing.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I took a look at this earlier for the lights and such. Well, and I also tried it. Well, I just took a look at the code that you're about to see, like
okay.
the door thing.
So this is what is this? I think this is what I was trying to do for the ace part. What is happening here? Okay, so it's looking through all the turrets and checking if the gunner name has door in it, which is pretty sketchy. That's not something you should really do, but this was just a hack together thing. But the stretcher frame is only going to be on the W, so we can sort of hard code it and not make it like a system-wide sort of thing. So so see if the interaction is being closed or open. So we'll check if it's folded up or folded down.
Yep.
And then, it's also checking for fast roping fries deployed or not. That's fine. We don't care about that.
Well, ideally, fries shouldn't be able to be put on this helicopter. I don't know if that's possible. Like, you can't add them on this one.
I mean, why wouldn't you be able to?
Because they're blocked by the stretcher.
Is it really?
Well,
really, the fries point is forward of the folded stretcher, or the unfolded stretcher.
we can test the game, see where they are. Like,
yeah.
but from what I understand, what I remember, that when it folds down, it will clip with it. So,
Really? Okay, we'll see.
oh, we'll see.
Okay, so and you haven't added any like interactions to fold it up and down yet, have you?
I have.
Oh,
It's
you
in
have. Okay.
somewhere, but I have added it. They all work. Can't remember where I put it.
I hope you named it something with fold in it.
I did. I think it's T and B.
XF. Yeah, there it is.
You see, I tried the interact condition to see what would happen. So if someone was in the door, seeing if it would still like be foldable, but it was, so it didn't work.
Okay, so your fold thingy is using the cabin door function. That's probably not right.
Yeah, I just tried to test it because if someone's sitting there, right, the door can't close. So I was just gonna test it if someone sits there, the stretcher can still close.
Oh, I
Well, if
see.
the yeah, I just see what would happen. It
Mm-hmm.
didn't work.
So MISC can interact. And then it returns result. So result is true unless door is blocked, in which case the result is false. Okay. So with the VXF version, the can interact is actually run every time you do it. So it's actually more like a do this and check if can interact, as opposed
Yeah,
to ACE where it's like if this is false, then it just doesn't even show the action.
yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna copy this function and make it can interact stretcher rack. Okay.
I also had another weird thing going on, right, with animations is if I put an AI on the stretcher, the animation was right, but if I went in it as a player, it was different. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what happened.
The whole body is different.
Yeah, he's like shifted off to the side, and his head is tilted way more than the way it should be. But if I put
Weird.
it like drag AI in, it is normal.
Okay, well let's
It's
see.
not a major problem. It still works.
Okay, so we don't care about door seats. We're gonna hard code that shit. Safety vehicles. There was some place where here it goes. We noted all the things that should be the way it is. We're gonna have to set up the interaction to have the correct name. Okay, top stretcher. Okay. Oh,
Hmm. Oh yeah,
not showing.
it's the payfog. We made a new one.
Oh
It's
yeah,
the
that's right.
joy.
Right. Green. Here.
Oh, what does
Um.
that say? I can't read that. Mm. Crew MFD.
Area of texture is less than 0. UV set. Okay, that's not a big deal.
Oh, I do really like
Hey.
those. I think it looks cool.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Nice job.
Oh, did you know the flare doesn't actually move? Did you know that? You probably did.
Our FLIR?
Yeah,
This FLIR
none of them
moves.
move. No, it doesn't. Like it doesn't actually turn in 3D.
Oh, yeah, not since we switched out of turret. It did move when we were using turret system.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
sad though. I like it.
Okay, so you wanted to start folded up, yeah?
Yep, yep.
And you got a
Wait, well
snap
that's
clip with the
weird. How
pipe?
did you get? Yeah, how did you get the error, but the crew MFTs are fine there? Like they have the textures.
Mm-hmm.
That's weird.
Okay,
Yeah,
good. Okay,
should start like
so,
that. I'll put the
alright.
fries on. See where the because yeah, yeah. I also added some lights back there, which is also nice. Oh,
It's fine?
I don't know what I feel like that would clip. But it's probably fine. It's fine. It's fine.
That's fine. Okay, so we're going to want to start with these two cargo seats disabled.
Yep. Wait, if I watch on YouTube, the quality might be a little bit better, so I can read it. Oh, yep, yep, it is.
Okay,
I'll watch it on YouTube.
you'll probably want to mute the YouTube then. You
Yep,
don't get double chat.
yep.
Alright, so that's going to have to be in a init script. So every
Oh,
time...
it doesn't show the code. Oh, now it does. What? That was weird.
Yeah, there's a delay with YouTube. YouTube is on a much larger delay than Discord. That's unfortunate.
Team stream then. That'll be better.
Can you read it on Discord now? I zoomed in for
Yeah,
increased.
I could read what you had before. Fine. It was just the really small stuff.
Okay, yeah, all right. So right, so we need a init script for the W that locks those seats.
Yep. With that as well, right? I was thinking that wouldn't it be better to have like how you have the UH60, the MH60S is a separate folder, and then the MH60M is also a separate folder to have the same for the HH60,
Yeah,
since
we're getting
it
to
has
the point
different
where
guns.
it's getting pretty pretty big, so we should separate it out.
Because I have no clue how I'm gonna put like how to make the guns actually so that people can hold the guns, since there is already a gun in that folder. Like, if you know what I mean. It already has a gun on there in the code that I'm using. Well, where I'm supposed to put it.
Well, it can just be hidden. Like the miniguns can be
No,
just hidden.
like it's already like a seat, as in if I take that seat, it's trying to hold on to the minigun, but there is no minigun.
Yeah, so you just have to redefine that turret to use the gal.
Oh, I can do that as well.
Yeah. So let's see. Or do we do that? Probably want to do it in a post init and use CBA add class event handler. Or should up. Yeah, we should be using this.
Why? Why is that?
Well, it's related to objects. So every time a CA man base or inherited from CA man base, so every soldier gets initiated, it's gonna run this code.
Ah,
So what we need is
okay.
every time a jelly green gets initiated, it runs the code that locks those cargo seats.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So jelly green, animation sources, great. How it goes? No, that's not how it goes. Where does this go? Been a while since I've
Oh, I have also hidden the miniguns on it, but I just haven't pushed that yet. Like, it's not up.
Okay.
But they are hidden. So.
I think that goes in CFG event handlers. Yeah. So this is going to be H-60W. And this is sort of like the mod or the tag.
Yep.
Do oh dear. Oh yeah, this is inside a string, so you have to be single quotes. So hopefully when we initiate another one of these, it'll do this. So dialog that and whatever we get inside it. So now let's add where is this called? Event handlers. Okay, we can just try to merge this in. Now we open the debug and see if we got anything. Or actually, we should check the config to see if it went in. On CFG vehicles, extended init, event handlers, stretcher one. Oh no, that's the stretcher. H-60W, stretcher seats. Oh, I fucked that up, I think. Yeah. Whoops. Double quote. Okay, so let's merge it again.
How do you merge? Oh, you just do that. Okay. So what type of files can you merge with diag config?
Any text file. It doesn't really care, I don't think. Oh, hello. Oh yeah, the the prize day.
Oh, well, that's interesting.
We're looking for this text. Not here. Let me check we're on the right diag. Okay, we are. Maybe it has to be in game where it initiates.
Well, that's what I had to do when I used diag merge config, is execute it and then restart. Like, not restart the game, but restart the mission.
Mm-hmm. Just the one. Okay, that doesn't seem to be working at all. Okay, I might just do it in script then. So H-60W on init, we'll do this.
Also, I really want to fix the shadow thing on the Blackhawk with the rotors. It's so annoying.
Kind of is, yeah.
And then
But one thing at a time.
yeah, there's so many things.
Okay, here we go. So the only thing that it gives us is the helicopter, which is fine. And then we'll lock the seats on it. Heli lock cargo. Okay. Index. All right. Let's test that in game. Oh, where's the two proxies?
They definitely work. Like they work for me. What if you use Ace to get in? It's
Oh
called
yeah,
passenger one
probably.
and passenger two. Yeah, there it is. Passenger one and two. In the top.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this animation isn't very fine yet.
It's you don't have the newest animation.
Oh, okay.
Because he's facing the other direction. I think I did upload them though, the newest animation.
Okay.
I think I
Let's
did.
try 0.
Oh no, wait, did I can't remember.
Okay, did this lock door? Okay, lock door right 1. So I think we need like 9 or 10. Oh, 10. Great. Found this somewhere. Oh, there we go. So 10 is passenger 1. 11 is passenger 2.
Is there a way to change what that's called?
I'm not sure. I think they're cargo, so they're only passenger. If they were turrets, we could name them.
Ah.
Okay, good. We'll put this. Don't need any of that. Can we put this in the pre-init? Sure. I think. So we delete this one and make a copy. It should be starting with those seats locked. Good.
Huh.
All right. So now we need to unlock them when we fold down the stretchers. That's going to be in can interact stretcher rack. Oh, top stretcher, bottom stretcher. Set to lowered. Oh, look at that. Nice job.
Yep, everything works.
Although
I
it's,
don't know what's up with the shadow there.
I would prefer it. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. I can actually look at shadow lot in a second here. I feel like it should be mouse wheel down to come down, but we can change that. What do you think?
I didn't actually know. I didn't even know we could do that.
Well, I mean, it's just which state you're setting it to. All right, so okay.
That shadow stuff doesn't happen for me, so that is very weird. Like the one, like not that one, but the one at like the part of the frame, or at the bottom.
Weird. Okay, well, so set to raised. Okay, lowered, raised, raised. So if the interaction name is lowered, then oh, also we're gonna check if there are any free fire from vehicle people sitting here, and if it is, we'll return false. But we can do that in a little bit.
What did it say?
We want to check if there's if these fire from vehicle seats are occupied, right?
Yeah, and the one on the edge as well. The other ones, because
Oh yeah, that's right.
no clip.
Okay, so right. Right, so first let's check if there are people sitting in those four, 13, 14, 16, and 22.
Yep.
How do we do this? We should use turret unit. Wait, 12. Oh, this is going to be like, so left gunner, door right 1, door right 2. So this is going to be 3. Not right. Oh, there we go. 4. This is 4.
That's another thing. Like, is it possible to set it so if people like ace load unconscious people, right, that it automatically loads them into those two seats? Is that possible?
It should prefer passenger seats over over turret seats, so I think so. Okay, so we're gonna need to check this one. I think that one over there is like 5. This will be 5. Yep. And then this one is 13 and 16. Well, that doesn't really matter. It depends on which order they're in. What I should be doing is, I think, right path. Okay, there we go, much easier. So 4, 5, 11, and 7. Okay. I'm going to check which one is faster. Okay, so this one is getting all 4 of these. Let's run performance. 0.0089. That's pretty good. I don't really care about that on a interaction. Okay, so we want to make sure that they're all null.
Yeah.
So let's do is null. Okay, we need brackets. False true. Okay. Oh wait, okay, so we should actually exit on the first occupied thing. So this is new code optimization a little bit, so don't worry too much about that.
All right.
So for each of these, if not is null, vehicle turret, the current element, then exit with I'm not sure if that exits with the for each or this entire thing. So let's see. We'll have to see. Oh, okay. So we'll do a variable blocked by f of v, and for each these seats, if there's a unit in it, then we'll exit with blocked is true, and otherwise it'll be false.
Yep.
So it'll start false, and then we'll set it to true if there's a thing in it. Then if it's not blocked, then we'll unlock it.
Yeah.
And we'll do the animation. So where's VXF? Animation. Thought I had that here. No, fuck it. Animation name is right here, so that's good. Oh no, wait. The animation is already part of the VXF interaction. Yeah, so we don't need to do that. But we're going to return true. If it's blocked, we'll return result false. And if not blocked, we'll unlock the cargoes. And I think that's it. Okay, now for raised. For raised, we need to check if the cargo seats are occupied, right? If there's someone on the stretcher, we can't raise it.
Yeah. So it's pretty much what you just did, but in reverse, right? Well, the opposite way.
So not blocked by FFV, but blocked by stretcher occupant. And not going to be turret unit, but cargo index. Is there a command for that? Turret path. I'm going to unlock those. Do I have a cargo in that turret path? Nope. Cargo. Find the cargo index of.
I don't know. Maybe just cargo path.
Oh, it's not a command.
Oh.
Otherwise, nice. Oh, get cargo index. Here we go. Vehicle get cargo index.
This is what you were just looking at?
Okay, perfect. Oh, but I need the unit. I can't, or can I? Because what I need to do is say I want to check cargo index and see if there's a person there.
Oh, that's another thing that has to be done as well. And then what also has to be done is that if there's a player on the stretcher, then it can't be raised or lowered.
That's what I'm doing right now, yeah.
Oh, never mind then. Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
So we have the vehicle, we have the index, we want to get the unit. This is that same command. Okay. Okay, we might have to look through all of folk crew to get that. Is there an ace function? Nothing? All right. Okay, fuck it then. So folk crew should get us everything, and we're only interested in the occupied ones, so yeah. So we're check for the cargo index. Okay, sounds good. Okay. Folk crew is gonna return the unit, the role, cargo index. Turret path, don't care about that. So for each, it's gonna go through folk crew. Cargo, can we do that? Okay, that's good. And then whoops. Okay, so for each of these, we're gonna get all of that info, and if the cargo index is 10 or 11, then we're gonna say it's blocked.
Yeah.
And not is null unit. Like we could check all of these, right?
Yeah.
This case sensitive. That's fine. Turret path. I think turret path is going to be just empty brackets. The first turret should be false. Okay, false, empty brackets, cargo path 11. Okay, good stuff. So if it's blocked by stretcher occupant, then it's gonna be a no can do. Otherwise, we'll do the animation, which is handled by the VX interaction, and we'll also lock these cargo seats.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, and so another benefit of separating this stuff out into a different folder would be no longer have to rebuild and rebinarize all of your H-60.
Honestly, so annoying.
Yeah.
It takes so long. Like when I start adding the Gao stuff in the new stuff, it adds like 2 minutes just because of the Gao.
Well, the Gao has to be in the main model, so they can't get away from that.
Yeah.
But this stuff,
Yeah.
you can try to move it away. So yeah, we can try to do that. So we'll just make a copy of probably MH60S because it's smaller than the DAP stuff.
Yeah, having a separate folder would help so much because then I think it'd be a lot easier for me to understand what I have to do with the new weapons.
Yeah, I think so. All right, so MH60S going to become H-60W. Search in folder. W, find all, place all. Oh, okay, should not have done that, I think. There's some stuff that should have been case sensitive. How do I undo that? I don't think it worked. Whatever. Fix it as we come across it then. Requires your H-60, that's fine. Okay, no, I'm gonna delete. Let's redo that again.
Wouldn't it be easier to just use the MH60 since the MH60M that is, since the S has the Gao 21 in the back as well and all of that stuff?
Oh, yeah, you're right. Should I put like both HA60? Yeah.
I don't know, because the normal HH60 has the miniguns as well,
Well,
and
I mean,
it's also very small.
yeah.
It's basically just a retexture. That's it.
All right. So, case on. Wait, what? HA60W, yeah.
Well, you're looking for the S. You put an M. You're in the MH60M. You're looking for the S.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Pylon stuff can go and such since I won't be using
Wait,
it.
why is it replaced already?
I definitely saw some
Here we go.
MH60s in there. Yeah. That's few.
There we go. Okay, so from the main, we need. This is going to pre-init. That not going to touch anything there. CFG vehicles though. Config vehicles. Oh yeah, sensor stuff. Oh dear. Oh, we're probably gonna have to do all of this turret inheritance shenanigans.
Yeah.
GTX Series 60 base. Okay, whatever. Then might be a bigger pain in the ass than initially appears. DAP is worth it because you know it's got turrets and shit. But
Yeah.
hmm. All right, whatever. Let's stay focused on the script thing. So I'm just gonna ditch that idea for now. I'll do it later. I'll build, and we'll see if we can get the conditions to work.
So someone just said to the thing that I asked, right, about the belt, is that it's done with skeleton bones hierarchy, but it's not. The belt isn't a separate bone. It's like two different ones. If that makes sense. Hmm.
Yeah, I'm not experienced with modeling that much, so not going to be a lot of help
Yeah,
there.
I'll figure it out. Hmm.
Okay. Let's launch and see. Oh shit. I didn't change the function that gets called in the VXF. Whoopsie.
Does that mean you have to do it all again?
Yeah, I think so. Damn, where is it? Here it is. Left or right door can interact. Track. Although I may be able to replace it with a config. Not sure, maybe. Uh-oh. No entry, H-60.
Probably from the copied stuff.
Oh, yeah, I removed it from here and didn't put it back. Whoops.
Ah.
Oh, shit. Come on. Oh, this is private. Click. Yeah, whoops. I'm gonna have to redo that anyways. Cause this is click. It's H-60. Oh, this is it. Okay. Because I don't think it will like trying to put all of this in.
Yeah.
Maybe. I mean, we can always let it crash the game for us.
One way to do it.
Yeah, there we go. Bye-bye. Okay, so H-60W back in the config, and VXF running the right function for that. Yeah, we definitely need to move the H-60W config stuff out of UH60 folder. Right.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I have no clue how to do any of that.
It's just the thing I was talking about before is with the MH60 config. If you need to access the turrets, you need to inherit them, and they need to go back like 2 or 3 levels.
Yeah.
And that can be a pain to figure out. But this is kind of more of a pain every time, so. That was reasonably fast.
Appreciate fast.
Starting with the game. And yeah, I'll get a start on that for the 3rd time. And this time I won't delete it, I'll just comment it out. Oh dear. Okay. I'm not sure why that crashed. Shall we try again and see if it does it again? Okay, well, good job, Arma.
Interesting. I'm almost done with the Gao now as well. All the vertex groups, memory points are all done.
Okay, what you mean to say is you're almost done of the work you're aware of.
Yeah, there's a bunch of like code stuff that I have to do that I half understand, but I'll figure it out. I just want to shoot it. Looks cool.
Oh, oh yeah, UV. Jolly green. Okay. Yep. Can I start baking soon? Okay, I'll wrap this up. Give me 10 minutes. All right, get in. Yeah, like, I guess. Lower with mouse
What?
wheel up. All right, we gotta check if the seats are locked first. They're locked.
That's cool.
Oh, and I think right now both, either stretcher unfolded will unlock both.
Oh yeah, that's the point.
Change seat. You can change to a locked seat? That's weird. I didn't know that. That Ace lets you change to a locked seat. Yeah, this unlocks both. So we need to distinguish between top or bottom.
Yeah.
But the FFV seats should now be locked. Cabin left center. Forget now. Okay, which ones are the ones in the rear? Door right 2. This one should be blocked, right? Get in door right 2. It didn't lock it. Oh yeah, because we didn't lock it. Duh.
Wait, what?
In Can Interact, we didn't lock the turret seats. We only unlocked
Yeah.
the passenger. Yeah.
Oh.
So this is where you want to have live function updating, right?
Yeah.
All right. So which turrets were those? These. So lock turret. Like so. Oh. Oh, right, because this needs to be a turret path. There we go. Yeah, that's all locked off now. But can we still switch to it? You see, oh no. Okay. This seat, passenger. Passenger is available even though it's locked. I think it's locked anyway. Let me just check. Check cargo index. Vehicle locked cargo, what was it, 10? False.
10, 11.
11, false. Why? Did it not run the pre-init? Oh, because I took it out of here as well. Why? Remember the pre-init to lock the vehicle, to lock the passenger seats? I took it out.
Yeah. That would do it.
I don't know where I put it. Have to write it again. I think that's it. Okay, passenger seats locked. Can't change seats from here. Change seat, passenger seats locked. Oh, it didn't unlock though. Didn't unlock. Why didn't it unlock? I've gone through here. Yeah, this is where we want file patching and live function updating, so we can just change stuff on the fly.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is raised, and we should be unlocking these turrets. Okay, let's try running the code and unlock them. Okay, that unlocks, but it didn't run the code when we did the thing.
Yeah.
And we need to check if both both stretchers are up. Only unlock the FOV turrets if both stretchers are up.
What about if the top stretcher's like down but the bottom one's up and you can still sit there like in that seat? Because I don't know if you can. Like, does that clip if the top one's down?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just keep it simple.
Yeah.
Animation source phase. What is it? Stretch rack fold T. Oh dear. Happened?
I don't know.
Why? Okay, much better. Okay, stretch rack fold T is 0. Okay. Is that not the animation source? Stretch
It is.
rack fold T. Animation source. Yeah. Is that not how you use animation source phase? Hmm. Weird. That should work, I think. Stretch rack fold B. Not sure why that's not working. Because that's what we need to check to make sure both stretchers are up.
Yeah.
Animation phase? Oh, okay. Yep. Okay, animation phase then. Okay, so we need to check if it's the top or the bottom. So I think that's going to be interaction name. No,
Yep.
interaction name is lowered or raised. Animation name, I think, is the top or bottom. Okay, so up is 1. Lowered is 0. Lowered is 0, up is 1. VXF. Label, I think that's what it is. Up stretcher, yeah. So if the animation we're doing is top stretcher and the bottom stretcher is already up, then we can unlock the FFV. Or if the animation we're doing is bottom stretcher and the top stretcher is already up, we can unlock FFV.
Yeah.
And then similarly, well, for locking them, either one comes down, we need to lock them. So that's good.
Yeah.
Well, actually, we should just check the animation name regardless, because we need to only unlock one cargo seat at a time anyway. Looks like. Oh, this is fine. Okay, I gotta go. I'm gonna push what I have, and you can try it out.
Yeah.
If it's working for you. So what did I do here? Okay, I won't do anything with the H-60W yet. Folder.
Yeah.
Okay, don't care about P3Ds. This one, yep. Oh, this one, yep. Model.cfg. I don't think we need the stretcher rack frame anymore as a separate selection, because it shows with the rack, entire rack.
Yeah.
Like, we don't need to animate it by itself.
Yeah.
These are the new stuff you added, right? To private.
Yeah.
But not to public yet, so I'll add them.
Yeah.
Pre-init to lock it. function, prep the function, and I think that's it. Okay, so here's where we should be more like this should not all go in one commit. So what you should do is actually this should be separate too, but I'm just going to do files. What is it? True MFD and nose radar files.
Yep.
Remove frame animation source. What changed here? Okay, I don't think anything changed here. Okay, so here where we can combine a few files. Interaction conditions for basically locking stretcher cargo and FFV seats.
Yep.
And the rest should only be art stuff that we've already done. Okay, pushing.
All right.
All right, good stuff. Try to see if it works, and if not, try to poke around and see what you can do to tweak it. Okay.
Yep. Well, it's SQF stuff. I barely understand it.
Oh, okay.